Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Authenticator and how it works. So this app helps protect your accounts by giving you a code every time you try to sign in. So even if someone knows your password, they still won't be able to access your account without that code. So to start, you'll need to have the app on your phone. You can use iPhone or Android. Just open the App Store or Play Store. Then search for Microsoft Authenticator. And once you see it, go ahead and download it. After it installs, open up the app. And when you open it, the first thing you can do here is to add an account. You can add your Microsoft account or even other apps and a website. So tap the option to add an account, then choose personal, depending on what you need. After that, sign in using your account details and follow the steps on your screen. And sometimes you'll be asked to verify your identity, so just complete the verification. And once it is done, your account will appear inside the app. Now, here's how you actually use it. Inside the app, you'll see your account with a code next to it. So this is your one-time passcode and it changes every few seconds. Whenever you try to log into your account on a website or app, you'll be asked to enter that code. All you need to do is open Microsoft Authenticator, look at the code, and then type it in. You can also add more accounts if you want. So to do that, tap the scan icon or the add button. You can scan a QR code or enter a code manually. So to get that code, go to the app or website you want to secure and open the settings, go to security and find two-factor authentication. To choose authentication app, then follow the steps until you see a code or key. If you're using the same phone, copy the code, then go back to Microsoft Authenticator. Choose to enter it manually, type a name, paste a key, and finish it. After adding it, you'll start seeing a new code for that account. When asked to verify, just enter the code from the app to complete the setup. And from that point on, every time you sign in, you'll use the app to get your code. Since the code keeps changing, it makes your account much more secure. And that is basically how you use Microsoft Authenticator. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.